Alright, hey, what's up guys? Check this out. Yeah, you just saw that bird. I'm in my house looking in my patio here, and I got a few birds in here. Check this out. So you saw those sparrows and they're getting really mad. And I think I found out why. Check this out. Look at that bird right there. So what's going on here, you guys? Is this bird looking for a nest, looking for eggs? Are the other birds looking to get the eggs from this nest? I don't see a nest here. I don't know. This guy looks pretty hungry though. He's got some great colors. It's got like a salt and pepper underbelly there. But alright guys, I'll see what happens. Oh, he's taking off. And he's out. He's leaving. Oh, cool. That was him. I think he's calling buddies.